What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice look for you guys based on this month's Boxy charm box. So I'm definitely excited for you guys to see this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I went ahead and already primed my eyelids. So I'm going to be going ahead and using the Soiree Diaries by Pure Cosmetics. And I'm going to be taking these two colors right here, which is Splurge and Stunner, and I'm going to be using those two as a transitioning shade and also a shade for when I start to get to my crease. And then for the outer V of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and just take this color Epic right here. So let's go ahead and get to blending. Alright guys, the first thing I will be featuring from this month is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this, it says on the box that you can use this to apply to large areas, so I'm assuming you can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a lip color, you can also use it as a color for your eyelid, and that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys, just so you guys can see what we're working with here. And I think that's a pretty color. Like, it looks pink in the bottle, which I feel like that's kind of a misconception because it looks pink in the bottle, but then it's kind of like purplish, pinkish, or like a lavender kind of with pink and a little bit of blue. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the lid. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I definitely liked how it came out. It definitely is pretty thick consistency, so I would say instead of rubbing the applicator along your eyelid, to go ahead and pat, which is the same way you would use if you wet one of your eye brushes. Oops, excuse me. If you wet one of your eye brushes and you're using like a glitter eyeshadow, you typically would pat it in there, pat it into your eyelid. So that's something that you would have to do with the Shimmer Veil. Also, I'm going to go ahead and align my eyes with the Smoky Eye Pencil, and it is Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. And yeah, it's jet black, and here's a swatch for you guys. It's really nice. It kind of like melts. Like as I was doing the swatch, it was kind of just melting on to the skin, so that's definitely a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it to line my eyes, and then I'm also gonna take some of it and put it right here in the corner of my eye and kind of just blend it out for more of that smoky eye effect, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and get to smoking some eyes. So I went ahead and added some lashes, and I went ahead and did my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Nars Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to use this to highlight the face. And I'm not going to really contour today. I'm going to powder contour, so when I bake my face, that's when I'm going to go ahead and apply the powder contour. So let's go ahead and get started.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out.
Making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the highlight and a contour powder palette by HudaBeauty, and I'm going to use, if I can get it open, I'm going to use the highlight 3 and the contour 3 because that is the darkest it can go in this palette. So I'm going to be using the Contour 3 to go ahead and powder contour my face. And then I'm going to use the Highlight 3 to go ahead and set the Nars Creamy Concealer. So let's make it do what it did.
Out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. It makes it feel like nobody else.
Alright guys, I'm going to be using the 3 crown brushes that was sent with this month's box. And I'm going to be using just these 2 for today. And this brush you will see much later because I'm going to go ahead and use this to apply my highlight. And this brush I'm going to go ahead and use it to apply my blush from Nars. So let's go ahead and get started. Featuring in this month's box, it is the Naked Cosmetics, and this is their holographic highlighter collection. And I typically don't have any form of holographic makeup at all, so I'm definitely like, what? Like, I'm so excited to try it. So it comes with colors that are like pink, green, your yellow, lots of highlight to choose from. These are definitely bold highlights. I'm not one to typically use bold highlights. I guess you could say I stay in the box, so today I'm coming out of the box. Thank you, Boxy Charm. So I'm just going to do some swatches of the top row. So this is kind of like my eyeshadow, so I might go ahead and use that one. And this one's kind of like a purple. Use this one right here. And I'm just going to put that on top. So yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one's more like the eyeshadow than anything. And then there is this one right there. Sorry, I should have brought it down more. And this is more like a blue. It kind of like goes with my nails. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one, the one in the middle, which is this color right here, which is that purple. That one would go really well with it. Plus, it'll bring more of like the holographic space look, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and get started.
Love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him make you act.
So as you can tell, we had a bit of a mishap with the first brush. So I went ahead and switched to a fan brush because I was like, I messed up. But I fixed it, as you can tell. And that's a little hack, okay? I definitely like the holographic highlight. It's definitely something new for me. I've never really, like I said, I've never really used any kind of out-of-the-box highlighters. So I definitely think it's cute. I think if I did more of like, if I was going for like a mermaid look, or if I was going for an outer space look, or if I was doing just pretty much any extravagant look that caused me to use holographic highlighter, it would definitely be amazing. I should do that. So to go ahead and just go ahead and complete this look, I figured, hey, why not kind of sort of keep up the holographic theme and go in with my MAC lip gloss. And this is their Dazzle gloss. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the lips. So let's go ahead and get started.
Don't let him make you act it, pick him out again. 3, don't be afraid, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning and you're under him.
Alright guys, and this is basically the finishing look of this month's Boxy Charm box, and I definitely enjoyed everything that was in this box. I pretty much used just about everything except for it was a loose glitter in there and it was blue. It was a little bit more darker than my nail color. Actually, it's kind of more of a not like a navy blue, but like more like, I don't know, it's just blue, like kind of like a royal blue. And I wasn't really too sure on how to incorporate it into this look, but you guys will definitely see it in upcoming videos for sure. So if you like this month's box, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to share this video with your friends. Also, just a small thing, I am trying to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, and I'm gonna need your help to do that. So I want you guys to please tell your friends, follow me, do whatever. I want to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram and then be able to do a 1,000 follower giveaway, and it's gonna incorporate a lot of stuff. It's gonna be like a small makeup basket, honestly. Like, I want this to be like a really big giveaway, so I'm gonna need your help to spread the word. Once I reach 1,000 followers, then I will definitely host the giveaway, so I need you guys. Alright guys, and that's all I have for this week, and don't forget, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, and I'm out. You know, you got a body roll. You know, I'm out. I'm out.